इसमें भी सेम हो जाता है, बट मेरे को अब 3 साल में इसकी आदत हो गई है.
On the market will ever one day.
You go like that?
Yes.
Yeah,
Go like that. Come out like
perfect.
that. You've been a vegetarian all your life, huh?
Yes,
सही है.
मज़ा आता है.
I only did not show enough commitment.
But like your family knows that you eat or no?
No.
Oh.
They know I do drugs and all.
Huh.
If they get to know that I smoke a pota, I mean, if I eat meat,
Eat.
I am dead at home. My
Oh.
mom will disown me and kick me out.
Oh.
Take me out of the inheritance. Not like we have anything.
So you come from a Brahmin family?
No,
No.
I come from a Shetty family.
Shetty.
Paisha.
अच्छा. Oh, your last name is Shetty.
Yeah.
Oh, सही.
So there are two kinds of Shetties in Karnataka.
Okay.
One is the Bangalore side Shetty,
हाँ.
and the other is my kind of. So
Okay.
my kind of Shetty, people of my caste generally came to do business over there.
Okay, business class से.
Small provision stores, gold business.
Okay. Who
and
are
we all speak Telugu.
Iyangars? Who are Iyangars?
Iyangars are like
Bakery.
Brahmins.
Brahmins.
Yeah.
अच्छा.
Oh, we're in the jute market.
Jute market.
The honey, spices, pickles.
चार मीनार मस्जिद रोड शिवाजी नगर.
Oh wow, we also have a Charminar.
मुझे लगता है हर जगह है.
But I don't think this is like a very authentic Muslim area also. I think Hyderabad has more,
More, yeah.
authentic roots because all these Nizams and all came and settled over there. You know? So architecture wise and all, I think they have much more, much better people also.
Yeah.
Here it's all settlers.
पेटलर बोले तो आए हुए.
Yeah, when they came to do business in settled
Okay.
over there. In Mysore also you'll find a lot of Muslim architecture.
अच्छा.
Because Tipu Sultan
टिपू.
Hyder
हाँ.
Ali ruled the place for like close to 80 years or something.
Wow. So Hyder had a palace there. That big palace is Hyder's or no?
Yeah.
Okay.
It was Hyder Ali's palace. So basically it started off with Wadeyars, okay? Then this guy Hyder Ali came as a general. Then he overthrew the empire
हाँ.
and made his own thing.
Okay.
Then the Wadeyar family did a comeback and shoot him out.
Okay.
So there's this place called Sri Rangapatna.
Shri.
Rangapatna. It's like 30 kilometers from Mysore.
Okay.
Tipu Sultan's fort is over there. That was like their place. You go there?
Left.
We'll come out to the more busy area.
ठीक.
So yeah, that Sri Rangapatna has Tipu Sultan's fort and his armory and all.
अच्छा.
In Mysore, they've tried to like erase his presence as much as possible
Okay.
because a lot of genocide and all happened in that time.
हाँ.
That's why there's still a debate going. Like Tipu, there's a national holiday for, state holiday for Tipu Sultan, but
Really?
yeah, but they keep debating, saying that he killed so many people
सही बात.
and all of that. Then very close to Mysore is Coorg.
Coorg.
Coorg is also one full warrior tribe.
अच्छा.
Yeah. So all these Coorgis
हाँ.
are called Kodavas.
Okay.
They have their own thing, bro. I don't know what gods they pray to,
Huh.
what religion they follow.
हाँ.
They have their own system itself. Like in their weddings and all, alcohol is like very intense. The father of the bride and all will go into depression if there is no alcohol in his daughter's wedding. Like that.
अच्छा.
You are okay with the smell, huh?
Yeah.
No, you don't look okay with the smell. फटाफट
हाँ, जल्दी चलते हैं.
Here generally they don't entertain a lot of people from outside.
What did he say?
Here generally they don't entertain a lot of people from outside.
Okay.
Like this part of the city.
Huh.
Because a lot of these Kannada people will come and Suma create scenes, bro. They'll go take videos of that tea stall and all. Spread hate. I say everyone's like looking at both of us.
कौन है ये लोग?
And they're judging us if these are the complaint kind of.
अच्छा दूसरी गली से हम निकल गए ना. अभी क्या डायरेक्शन लेनी है?
Abhi, do you want to check out these restaurants and all? This is the road with restaurants and all.
लेट्स चेक इट आउट. कुछ ऐसे जूस वाली दुकान दिखेगी तो जूस के लिए रुकेंगे.
क्या?
कुछ जूस वाली दुकान दिखेगी 10 मिनट में तो उसके लिए रुक जाएंगे.
Here you get a lot of these, what is that? Sulaimani chai.
सुलेमानी चाय ये ट्राई कर सकते हैं.
This is the beef market, 1932. Yeah, these restaurants are open till 2 o'clock. People will be loaded here, bro. Like,
अच्छा जी.
गाड़ी घुसने का जगह नहीं रहेगा. जैसे you never come here in a car or anything.
No.
कैब वाला भी बाहर ही छोड़ देगा, अंदर तक नहीं
बाय.
जाएगा.
यहाँ से खुद देखो. पैसे 10 रुपए कम दे दो.
नहीं उसका भी पैसा मांगेगा. Savera Tea Center. Yeah, this is like a very famous tea center.
अच्छा.
They have like some 50 branches or something in Bangalore. This is the first one. Crazy shit. This is the second branch of Savera.
सवेरा कैफे. स्पेशल टी. सुलेमानी चाय ओनली हैव.
You wanna have?
हाँ.
We go to the old shop.
ठीक है. अभी इतना साउथ में घूम घूम के ना क्योंकि इंग्लिश के आपको एक आध शब्द ही बोलने हैं वो ही समझेगा इंसान. तो मेरे को अब इसी की आदत हो गई है. पूरे सेंटेंस की जगह हैव.
That way, if you learn one South Indian language, you will
It'll
figure
be
out
easy.
3 languages.